everyone, this is Serena or Serena Squash here, and I'm a garden teacher at Gams and Vales Gate in Newburgh. I'm here today because I wanted to read a story with you, and in this story we have to be detectives and we have to listen for clues. So I need all my friends to put their detective hats on, to put their detective goggles on, take their detective magnifying glasses out, and make sure you have your detective boots on too. All right, this story is called What's in the Garden. The author is Marianne Berkes, and it's illustrated by Cris Arbo. So I'm going to describe and read the pages and see if you can guess what the fruit or vegetable is that I'm talking about. Delicious, nutritious, what could it be? In spring there are blossoms all over the tree, red, green, or yellow, with fruit that is round. If you don't pick it, it plops to the ground. What do you think it is? If you guessed apple, then you're absolutely right. And down here is a recipe for applesauce. All right, friends, listen for the clues. You plant them in rows, and each forms a head, or else you can get the leaf kind instead. It grows rather quickly in loose, moist soil, and if there's some frost, it won't even spoil. So what do you think it is? If you guessed lettuce, you're right. Good work, friends. And then we've got a recipe for a mixed green salad. Okay, here we go. The part that you eat is way in the ground. So how can this fabulous food be found? Look for the feathery leaves on its top. It's long. There's a clue. It's orange, another clue, a real healthy crop. And if you guessed carrot, then you're absolutely right. And down here is a recipe for carrot muffins. All right, friends, let's try the next one. Keep guessing. Its pretty green head is a lovely bouquet that sometimes is eaten an interesting way. Try it uncooked. It's great with a dip, munching the flowery buds on its tip. What do you think it is? If you guessed broccoli, then you're absolutely right. And in this picture, my friend is eating some broccoli trees with a dip. All right, listen for the next clues. It's round, it's tiny, it grows on a bush. When made into sauce, it turns to a mush. This fabulous fruit can be used as a dye and is really, really yummy in muffins and pie. What do you think it is? If you guessed blueberries, then you're absolutely right. Blueberry pie. Listen for the clues. It comes in a bunch and has quite a crunch. It's chopped up in salad and stew, but spreading some cream cheese in one of the stalks is another fun thing you can do. So what do you think it is? If you guessed celery, then you're absolutely right. We are talking about celery. And this looks like a friend is eating ants on a log. Okay, friends, listen for the clues. Here's the next page. You eat it in sauces with many a dish. or right off the vine, however you wish. This versatile fruit is even a drink, or is it a vegetable? What do you think? What do you think it is? If you guessed tomato, you're right. And this friend is eating tomato sauce with pasta. All right, we've got a few more pages. Here we go. It grows on a vine with skin that is green. It's sliced in a salad. It's long and it's lean. But sometimes it's shorter with soft little prickles and placed in a jar for real tasty pickles. For my second grade friends, you might know this. We talked about how pickling is a process. And if you guessed cucumber, then you're right. And in this picture, this friend is making a sweet and sour cucumber salad. All right, friends, here we go. Just bite its long leaf. You'll be able to tell. The bulb underneath has a very strong smell. It makes people cry, so it's cut in great haste, but added in cooking enhances the taste. What do you think it is? Let's see. If you guessed onion, then you're absolutely right. And this friend is making French onion soup. Okay, here's another one. This is one of my favorites. It's usually brown, way down in the soil. You scrub it to bake it or peel it to boil. It doesn't have ears, but does have eyes. It's really a favorite when mashed or as fries. Think about what vegetable can be turned into fries. What do you think it is? I heard some of you say potato, and you're right. And this friend is making garlic mashed potatoes. And now we've just got a few more. Okay, listen for the clues. It has a long ear, but never an eye. This towering veggie can grow very high. The kernels are ripened by rays from the sun. To eat it with butter is really great fun. What do you think it is? I think I heard some friends say it. Corn. Delicious golden corn. And this friend is eating this summery treat, and they're eating honey corn, which sounds delicious. And I'm looking forward to when our corn will be ready to harvest. Okay, here comes another one. Listen for the clues. It grows in a field right near the corn. Frost tops its head on a chill autumn morn. It's orange and round with a vine that is green. Lots of clues. And kids come to pick it on each Halloween. What do you think it is? It's orange. You pick it around Halloween, and it's round. If you said pumpkin, then you're right. And this sweet friend is making roasted pumpkin seeds. Very cool. Okay. Very last page. Nutritious food for you and me, picked off a vine or from a tree, above the ground or deep below. Isn't it fun to watch it grow? And when it's ripe and good to eat, why not make a special treat? Try the recipes in this book, and with a grown-up, start to cook. And then there's a dragonfly friend in the bottom. The end. All right, friends. Well, I hope that you enjoyed your time with me reading What's in the Garden. I miss you all, and I can't wait for us to be back in the garden again. And I hope that everybody's staying safe and getting some fresh air. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.